What's up, guys? About ready to put the front end back on the 96, so make a video, putting the A-arms on and putting the airbags in and the steering components. So make another video, show you guys the progress. I'm gonna put some grease on these bushings so they won't get stuck. Decided to just clean my bolts and just paint those clear. So get ready to put the bottom A-arm in.
Emails and the paperwork. Making moves frequent, sometimes staying in one place. Out of the service early. In fact, Michelle's husband is leaving the army this summer. Supermarket shooting yesterday. When tragically killed on her wedding night. That story is next. And blood clots can happen. People 15 over with heart disease risk.
Get the bottom A-arm bolted on. Make sure I didn't put the bolts too tight. Still have some play. I got the upper and lower A-arm in. I gotta put the ball joint in. Put the bolts in it. Alright guys, so next I gotta put the airbag up in place. Show y'all what the air line. So I got the air line ran in the frame right here. Slide it in the airbag. Probably cut the end off. Have a better end on it so it won't leak. So I do that first. And there's a little smoother. Definitely don't want no leaks. Put the backing plate on and in place. Alright guys, so it's the next day. Ran into a roadblock last night. Somebody had put a used bearing in the oil seal box. So I wasn't able to put my seals in and my bearings, so I had to go get another one today. Man, those seals only cost like $7. I don't know why somebody will do that. You can tell it's a used bearing because I already been greased. Just ridiculous, man. But we back on it. Keep grinding. All right, guys, I gotta put the seal in it. All right, guys, now I gotta pack the outer bearing. Got everything bolted up. Get the brakes. Everything. Brake line hooked up. Got this sensor hooked back up. And get ready to work on the steering stuff. Alright guys, so now I'm about to start roughing in my front end alignment. You can see on front of the wheel, top of the wheel needs to come out to get my camber right. So I gotta put it back on the ground and take some shims out of the top A-arm. Check this side. This side is very close. Make it come out a little bit, but I think I'm gonna just leave it where it is for now until I get ready to start setting the toe. So take a couple of shims. Take a couple of shims out of this side. See if I can get it better. I took one shim each out the front and the back of the top control arm. I think it's gonna be too much. I'm gonna try it and see. Top need to go back in just a little bit. It's off a little bit. So I'm gonna try to find a shim that's half the thickness of the ones I took out and try that. All right, so I found some shims. So these are the ones that I took out. Put these in. Try that, see how that works. All right, so I think I got it pretty close. Close enough for the alignment shop to take it from here. Alright guys, so I got everything done. Got the alignment roughed in. So all I gotta do now is grease my joints and finish hooking up my air ride. Shit, y'all liking the video. Stay tuned.